Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to try these nature bars. I tried the peanut butter one, this is the oats one. I recommend on my channel. And Julie Moon, I said I was sorry, okay? I'm sorry for everything, okay, Julie Moon? If you see this video, I said I was sorry, okay? Please give me a chance, Julie Moon. Come on. I'm sorry, Julie Moon.
What did you open in here?
I'm just...
What are you eating in here? What did you put in? Roasted in here?
Look at that, guys. That's the best thing about Halloween. 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 Julie Moon, you get a shout out from my channel. Austin Garrett, you get a shout out from my channel. These are good. And if you like to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more retro content though. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.